POV, your couch looks clean until this machine exposes years of dirt in seconds. This is the Dreame N20 steam cleaner, and honestly, this thing looks like a mini carpet cleaning monster. It sprays hot steam at over 200 degrees, blasts stains with strong suction, and literally pulls brown water out of furniture that looked perfectly clean 5 minutes ago. Coffee stains? Gone. Pet accidents? Gone. Grease on fabric? Gone. And the crazy part? It's not just for couches. People are using this on mattresses, car seats, carpets, even tile ground. Now, here's the catch. A lot of users love the cleaning power, but some people online are warning about Dreame's customer support and long-term reliability. So, is it a scam? No, it's a real product sold on Dreame's official website with real customer reviews. But since it's still pretty new, nobody really knows yet if this thing survives years of heavy use. So if you want something powerful for deep cleaning right now, this might actually be one of the most satisfying cleaning gadgets on the internet. But if customer service matters a lot to you, maybe keep that warranty receipt. And honestly, watching the dirty water tank fill up is weirdly addictive. Follow for more brutally honest tech reviews before you waste your money.